Hi, welcome to this session on different types of marketing campaign that we can create on Facebook. Largely, when we were doing the traditional marketing for education institute, we were using newspaper, hoardings, something like this. But now in this digital age, many institute and tuition classes, schools, or any other organization in education are using digital marketing. So in digital marketing, Facebook is one of the most popular tool by which you can reach out to maximum people. And the best part of Facebook, not only your ads are going to be seen on Facebook, but as well as on Instagram. So we will, in this session, we will try to understand what are different types of campaigns are there which you can create in Facebook. So let me take you through my Facebook profile. So whenever you're going to be there on your Facebook profile, you may see something like this. If you go down, you may see an ad. So here I can see an ad over here, right? So this is an ad, and you may be seeing different types of ads on your Facebook. And generally what happen on what people want to see your ad, means people want to show their ad to you, or second, they want you to click on their ad. Okay, so I just clicked on this ad. And the third thing, what they want, sometimes they want them to register on their page. So this is largely the objectives of different ad campaigns. So they want me to register by this name, right? And similarly, you may see different types of ads. So as of now, this was the image ad. If you go down, let me see if I can see any video ad. So I just have to quickly go down, and so now here you can see on my page there is an ad which is, if I click a video, will start playing, right? So this is a kind of video ad. So on Facebook, we can have campaign with different objectives and as well as different types. So let's go to the Facebook and let's understand what are different campaigns types which are available in Facebook. So I'm clicking on Ad Manager, and as of now, you don't have to click on Ad Manager. This video is just to give you awareness on different types of campaign which are available on Facebook before you come to the classroom. So if I click on Ads Manager, and to create a campaign, I have to start clicking on create. And before we start creating a campaign, what do you mean by campaign? The ad we saw on video ad, that was part of one of the campaign, right? So in case you want to create a campaign, for example, to get more and more people on your dancing classes page, that can be your campaign. Or for example, you want to show the success of your students to everyone in the town, that can be another campaign. So these are the different campaigns are available. So let's start understanding. So basically, we have to select the campaign objectives. So here broadly, campaign objectives are divided into awareness, consideration, and conversion. So what is brand awareness? So brand awareness campaigns are, let me take you for example, here is an Code Academy ad I can see. So what can be a brand awareness campaign? What I want this ad to be seen by many people. Or I'll take you another example. For example, generally in education, success stories works very well. For example, 2 or 3 students in your institute scored highest mark in the city or the state or in the country, and now you want to show their success to maximum people. So now over there, what you want, what is the campaign objectives you have is brand awareness or reach. So these are the things that possibly you will be selecting so that you can reach out to maximum people. And when you're creating this brand awareness or reach campaign, your objective is not your objective is not people to bring you on your website, but what is your objective? Your plain objective is your communication should reach to maximum people. That is the objective. Now what is a traffic consideration? For example, I am launching some courses. Now what I want maximum people to visit on my website. What I want maximum people to visit on my website. So in that case, I will create a traffic campaign. And what will happen in traffic campaign? If people will see my ad, something like this, what I want them to click something like on sign up and come to my website. So largely on Facebook, you will see such kind of campaigns where you will see, if you go down further, you will see this is automatic script. This is another campaign, and here it is download. I'll go further down, and right, so here again is learn more. So what exactly will happen if I click onto this ad? The objective is of this campaign maybe to come to their website. So this is the second type of objective, and under this objective you have different other considerations are available. It can be sometimes you want people to download your mobile app. For example, Byju is there. So Byju generally learn this kind of campaign, right, where they want maximum people to download their app. So this is the app installation. Another kind of very popular message for consideration is lead generation. So what is lead generation? So let me show you some example of lead generation. So here you can see there's a campaign from Tech for Educators and lead generation. So in lead generation, what is the objective? I want people not to visit my website. What I want, if they click on learn more, something like this, a form should open up there within the Facebook. So without visiting my website, they should able to fill up their full name, email, city, job title, and give me their contact details. So what can happen later on, I can contact them and I can promote them for the admission. So this is called lead generation campaign. So this under consideration, traffic, app installation, video views, and lead generation are the popular campaigns. Now the last is the conversion campaign. What is conversion campaign? So basically the objective of conversion campaign is that whenever somebody is seeing your ad, for example, again this campaign can be for traffic as well as it can be for branding, or it can be for conversion. So basically in conversion, what is the objective? If somebody is clicking on my ad, they should fill up the form like this. Like over here we can see create your account and they want first name, last name, email address. So this is the objective of this campaign. If I go down, possibly I may see more such campaign where what people want you to visit their website. For example, let's see this ad. Now don't get confused. Like for example here this is an image ad, but it can be for branding purpose, it can be for traffic purpose, or it can be for conversion purpose. So as an audience or as a viewer, we will not get to know about this. What is the objective of this campaign? We will just see practical crowdsourcing for efficient machine learning, free online course. So this is a course. That's all we'll get to know. But as an educator, as an education institute, I can decide I want to show this ad to maximum people, so it will come under brand awareness. I want to, irrespective whether I want maximum people to see my ad. Second objective, traffic. Traffic means I want people to click onto my ad like this way and they should come to my website. So this is under consideration. So this is the second objective. And the third objective, if people, I want maximum people to give their data on my page, that is called conversion. So I'll go to this campaign and what I want people to click on something like join now. If they will click on join now, possibly a form will come up. So after clicking on join now, this pop-up page came. So what is the objective of this campaign? They want me to fill up the details on their websites. So I will take you again to all the campaigns. So basically what here in conversion campaign, the objective is people should click on the Facebook ad, they should come to my web page, and on the web page also they should fill up their details on the web page, right? So this is the objective. So before you come to the session, you should be aware of what are different objectives are there. As I told you, the objective is brand awareness, where maximum people should see my ad, irrespective whether they are clicking on my ad or not. Here in consideration, I want them to do some kind of action, right, on the ad. It can be they should click on the ad and come to my website, or it can be go through the videos views and then come to my website, or they should install the app after seeing the ads, or lead generation means they should give me the details within the forms. One pop-up form will open and they should give me the details. For conversion, the objective is they should come to my website, fill up the details. So that's all on different Facebook campaign objectives.